Hi, this is M. Shriram from CSCD section. Topic is application of transformer. Introduction. A transformer is a passive component that transfers electrical energy from one electrical circuit to another circuit or multiple circuits. A varying current in any coil of the transformer produces a varying magnetic flux in the transformer core, which induces a varying electromotive forces across any other coils wound the same core. Electrical energy can be transferred between separate coils without a metallic conductive connection between the two circuits. Faraday's law of induction, discovered in 1931, describes the induced voltage effect in any coil due to a changing magnetic flux encircled by the coil. Transformers are used to change AC voltage levels, such transformers being terminated, set up or set down. Type of increase or decrease voltage level. Transformers can be also used to provide galvanic isolation between circuits as well as to couple stages of signal processing circuits. Since the invention of the first instant potential transformer in 1885, transformers have become essential for the transmission, distribution, and utilization of alternating current electric power. A wide range of transformer designing is encountered in electronic and electric transformer designs encountered in electronic and power applications. Transformers range in size from RF transformer less than a cubic centimeter in volume to units weighing hundreds of tons used to interconnect the power grid. Power transformer. This is the most common type of transformer widely used in electrical power transmissions and applications to convert mains voltage to low voltage to power electronic devices. They are available in power ratings ranging from MW to MW. The insulated laminations minimizes eddy current losses in the iron core. Small appliances and electronic transformers may use a split bobbin, giving a high level of insulation between the windings. The rectangular cores are made up of stampings, often in EI shape pairs, but other shapes are sometimes used. Shields between primary and secondary may be fitted to reduce EMI, electromagnetic interference, or a screen winding is associationally used. Small small appliances and electronic transformers may have a thermal cutout built into the winding to shut off power at high temperatures to prevent future overhauling. A power transformer is a static machine used for transforming power from one circuit to another without changing the frequency. As there is no rotating or moving parts, transformer is classified as a static device. Transformer operates on an AC supply. Transformer operates based on the principle of mutual induction. What are the uses of power transformer? Generation of electrical power in low voltage level very much cost effective. Theoretically, the low voltage level power can be transmitted to the receiving end. This low voltage power is transmitted results in greater line current, which indeed causes more line losses. Second one, this is done by setup transformer at the sending of the power system network, as the high voltage power may not be distributed to the consumers directly. This must be stepped down to the desired level at the receiving end with the help of step-down transformer. Electrical power transformer thus plays a vital role in power transmission. But if the voltage level of power is increased, the current of the power is reduced, which causes reduction in ohmic or I square R losses in the system. Reduction in cross-sectional area of the conductor, reduction in capital cost of the system, and it also improves the voltage regulation of the system. Because of these, low level power must be stepped up for efficient electrical power transition. Next one, instrument transformer. Instrument transformers are typically used to operate instruments from high voltage lines or high current circuits, safely isolating measurement and control circuitry from the high voltage of currents. The primary winding of the transformer is connected to the high voltage or high current circuit, and the meter or relay is connected to the secondary circuit. Instrument transformer may also be used as an isolate transformer so that secondary quantities may be used without affecting the primary circuitry. Terminal identifications either alphanumeric such as H1, X1, Y1, etc., or a colored spot or dot impressed in the case indicate one end of each winding, indicating the same instantaneous polarity and phase between windings. This applies to both types of instrument transformer. Correct identification of terminals and wiring is essential for proper operation of metering and protective relay instrumentation. In addition to the basic merit mentioned above, it has a numerical advantage also. Power generation, transmission and distribution network have different voltage level. Designing instruments that can safely operate at all these voltage levels and maintaining a huge inventory is highly impractical. Manufacturers design instruments suitable for 120 volts or 5 amperes, which in combination with suitable instrument transformer can be connected to high voltage and high current circuits. Types of instrument transformers. There are two types of instrument transformers: current transformers, voltage transformers, or potential transformers. Short form VT or PT. Current transformers. Transformers that are used to transform currents are known as current transformers. They are used to reduce high currents to 1 amperes or 5 amperes so that they can be measured using an armature or used in other control circuit. It consists of a single or fewer primary turns and large number of secondary turns. In most types, the current carrying conductor itself acts as primary winding of the transformer. The primary of the current transformer is connected in series to the line, while the secondary is connected to the measurement control or protection devices. Current transformer serve two purposes. First one, facilitates the measurement of high current, and second one, insulation of meters, instruments and protecting relays from high voltages. Instrument transformers that are used to transform voltage are known as potential transformers. They are used to reduce high voltages to 120 volts or other low levels so that they can be measured using a voltmeter or used in the other control circuits. It consists of a magnetic core upon which a large number of primary turns and fewer numbers of secondary turns are wound. They are designed for optimal performance with high impedance secondary loads. The primary winding of a voltage transformer is connected in parallel with the load for which the voltage is to be measured or controlled. The secondary winding is connected to measure instruments and control devices. There are three types of potential transformers. Electromagnetic induction type, principle similar to two-winding transformer. Capacitive coupled type. A capacitive coupled voltage transformer is a combination of capacitance, voltage divider and electromagnetic type PT. Optical type. An optical voltage transformer works on the principle of Kerr effect, by which the light which is reflected from a magnetized source may change both polarization and reflected intensity. Last one, voltage transformer or potential transformer, short form VT or PT. Instrument transformers that are used to transform voltage are known as voltage or potential transformer. They are used to reduce high voltages to 120 volts or other low levels that can be measured using a voltmeter or used in the other control circuit. It consists of a magnetic core upon which a large number of primary turns performance with high impedance secondary loads. The primary winding of a voltage transformer is connected in parallel with the load for which the voltage is to be measured or controlled. The secondary winding is connected to measuring instruments and the control devices. There are three types of potential transformer. Electromagnetic induction type, principle similar to two-winding transformer. Capacitive coupled type. A capacitive coupled type voltage is a combination of capacitance, voltage divider and electromagnetic type PT. Last one, optical type. An optical voltage transformer works on the principle of Kerr effect, by which the light which is reflected from a magnetized surface may change both polarization and reflected intensity. Thank you.